Windows 11 brought with it a lot of privacy controls, including controls over your cameras and microphones that previously weren't there. My name is Yadullah, you are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how to fix your webcam not working in Windows 11. There are a bunch of reasons why your camera might stop working on Windows 11, including physical access controls to software issues. The first thing that you should check is any control utility on your laptop or PC that controls the webcam. For example, I'm using an MSI laptop, and MSI laptops come with Dragon Center. Now, what Dragon Center does is that it allows you to control different settings. So as you can see, I can enable or disable my webcam in this software. If it's disabled here, no matter what you do, it's not going to run. So make sure that whatever laptop you're using, MSI, Acer, HP, Dell, whatever, they all have utilities like these. So make sure that the webcam is enabled there. You may also have a physical webcam key on either your laptop or on the webcam itself. So press that to make sure that the camera is enabled. If you're sure that the camera is enabled but the problem persists, it might be right to check the camera access settings. So press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings, and I'm just going to search for camera, and camera privacy settings is the first option that pops up. And now you can control whether Windows can access the camera and then specific apps can access the camera. So as you can see, the camera access here is enabled, and then all of these apps that I have below will be currently using your camera. So as you can see, OBS is actually already using my camera right now. Microsoft Edge can use it, Mozilla can use it, and all of these different programs have camera access settings, and they even show you when they last accessed your camera. So make sure that the app that you're looking for is in this list and has the option to access your webcam. Alright, next up, corrupt drivers or missing drivers can also cause your webcam to stop working. To fix that, it's a very simple process. Just right click the start menu and head over to Device Manager. We'll give Device Manager a second to load, and it's here. Alright, now expand the cameras section in here, and I have three webcams. One is my DSLR, one is my laptop's inbuilt webcam, and one is the external webcam that I'm using to record this video. You might just see HD webcam depending on what your setup is. Whatever camera you're facing problems with, select it, right click and click update driver, and then click the search automatically for drivers options. It will automatically search Windows update databases for any drivers compatible with your camera, install them, and it should be working fine. If that does not fix your problem, you can once again right click the camera and uninstall it completely. You'll be given a warning. Just go ahead, click uninstall, and it will disappear from this list and stop working. After that, you can head over to action and then click scan for hardware changes, or you can just restart your computer and the default drivers will automatically be installed, and that should fix the problem with your camera. Alright, next up, the Windows default camera app can also sometimes cause conflicts with the camera being available to access for other apps. Now, to fix this issue, what we're going to do is just open the start menu and search for camera. Now in here you will see this app settings button, so just click on it. We'll give it a second to load everything up. And yeah, as you can see, we have app permissions and everything, so on and so forth. But just scroll down, click on the reset and repair buttons. Do it individually. So try repairing the app. If that doesn't work, try resetting it altogether, and that should once again help you fix the problem. Last but not least, if nothing else works, you can try running the camera troubleshooter that comes built into Windows 11. To do that, press Windows key plus I to open settings, and I'm just going to search for troubleshoot. So as you can see, there's a troubleshoot settings option right here. I'm going to click on other troubleshooters, And in this list, there should be a camera troubleshooter that you can run. It will automatically scan your system for problems, including some of the fixes that I've already mentioned in this video, and automatically fix the problem. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if you have any thoughts on these videos, or if you'd like us to make any more content like this, and I'll be down there talking to you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.